Konnichiwa, future real estate moguls. Welcome back to the dojo of real estate wisdom. I am your humble guide, the real estate sensei, here to simplify the complex world of real estate investing. Today, we embark on a journey that will set the foundation for your success in the realm of real estate. We are diving deep into the heart of real estate investing, the numbers. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me pose a question for you to ponder. What's the secret sauce to successful real estate financing? Go ahead, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm curious to hear your ninja-like financial insights. Now, my young apprentices, grab your pens and notebooks because today we're talking about the numbers you absolutely must know when venturing into the world of real estate investing. 1. Cash flow, the lifeblood of your investment. Cash flow, the heartbeat of your real estate venture. It's not just about buying and selling, it's about ensuring that money flows in a harmonious rhythm. Your cash flow dance starts with understanding your rental income, deducting your expenses, and ensuring a healthy, positive cash flow. Remember, a positive cash flow property is like a well-balanced warrior, strong and resilient. Now let's move on to the next number in our arsenal. 2. ARV, the silent ninja in the shadows. ARV, or after repair value, is like the stealthy ninja working in the shadows. It's the estimated value of your property after you've made all the necessary repairs and renovations. Knowing the ARV helps you gauge the potential return on your investment. So, ask yourself, young investors, what's the hidden potential of your property once it's been given a ninja makeover? 3. Repair costs, unmasking the hidden obstacles. Now, let's talk about repair costs. The dragon you must conquer on your real estate quest. Unmasking the hidden obstacles in a property requires a keen eye and a budgetary sword. Knowing the repair costs ensures you are well prepared to face the challenges that may arise. Share your experiences in the comments. Have you ever underestimated the repair costs and faced the wrath of the renovation dragon? 4. Cost of capital, the samurai's armor. Every warrior needs armor, and in the world of real estate, your armor is the cost of capital. Understanding the cost of financing your investment is crucial. Whether it's through loans, partnerships, or your own savings, be aware of the expenses associated with your capital. Tell me, my financial ninjas, how do you armor up for your real estate battles? Share your financial strategies in the comments. 5. Other holding costs, navigating the terrain. Finally, let's navigate the intricate terrain of other holding costs. Property taxes, insurance, and maintenance are the undercurrents that can either propel your investment forward or drag it down. Be mindful of these costs to ensure a smooth journey. What holding costs have caught you off guard? Share your stories in the comments and let's learn from each other's experiences. And there you have it, my aspiring real estate warriors. Cash flow, ARV, repair costs, cost of capital, and other holding costs. These numbers are your allies, your weapons, and your shields. Knowing them will not only keep you alive, but help you thrive in the dynamic world of real estate. Remember, the path to real estate mastery is a marathon, not a sprint. Join me in the next episode as we delve even deeper into the art of real estate investing. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson from your sensei. Until next time, may your investments be fruitful and your returns be abundant. Arigato.